everybody, welcome back to the Headless channel. This is your girl BOOMEY B, and if you are not already subscribed to this channel, please do so right now, and please hit that bell so you are down with the whole crew and the clique when we come up with. Today I have for you a video. These videos are really close to my heart because if some of you do or do not know, I am blind. I wear glasses, and yes, when I do these videos I am shooting them straight blind because I don't wear contacts. So yeah, I look over to the side a lot because I can't see myself. So I have to be on a big monitor to make sure that the video is recording. Everything is, you know, going. So today, as you can see by the title, I will be giving my review on a pair of glasses that I recently received from Firmoo. It is an online glasses shop. It's a one-shop stop too. You go on there, you have your prescription, you plug it in, go through the hundreds and thousands of pairs that they have, all at very sophisticated low prices. I think we're starting as low as like 19 bucks for a pair of glasses, and then they also usually are running a promo or what have you. And fortunately for you watching this video today, I will have promo links in the description bar, as well as a link to their site and a link to their Amazon site. The glasses that I am reviewing today, I have owned for 2 weeks, I've been wearing for 2 weeks, and I always feel like 2 weeks is a sufficient amount of time to really tell you if I'm feeling it or not. This is obviously not an initial video, but a video having been wearing the pair and what I think and just overall my experience with Firmoo. Let me start by saying they're wonderful customer service. They get back to you within a day. I think they're in a different time, you know, than we are in America, but they get back to you as soon as you wake up in the morning. You will have an email from the lovely people regarding anything. And I have purchased from there on my own, as well as received product to review. Aside from that, I want to say I do believe they have been doing a lot of tinkering, because this last pair of glasses that I got, it came with such better accessories as far as like the glasses case. I feel like it's more practical. I will show you all of that now. It didn't come with a bunch of like other things I don't need, but I already have, you know, all the like miscellaneous kits and stuff like that. They gave me a couple of friends and family discount codes. I think I also have the buy one get one free down below as well. You have just this little package with just this piece and some extra nails if any of your legs get loose. You have your dust bag, it says Firmoo on the front, as well as this case. Now before, it was this hardened case that had like a globe on it, which was cute, but it just is not practical. It's really heavy. It doesn't have like a sleek look as far as carrying. Like this wonderful plastic, like it fits in my bag. It's more comfortably fitting in one of my small bags. It says Firmoo on the front right here. You just simply open up like this. You have a dust rag in here, and this is what the glasses came in. So here are my pair. They are a nice multicolored turquoise pattern with a very feminine cat eye kind of frame shape. I want to say that the size of them is 128 millimeters across, 141 going to the side. The frame number of these glasses is, I do believe, DBSN 62343. That is the frame number, so if you type that in, it will automatically come up, and you have about 5 colors to choose from. I'm gonna slip mine on. And now you can say, what do you think? I want to say that I believe, just based on having been wearing Firmoo glasses for the last year and a half, I've lost a pair, and I did 2 BOGOs, and this one I am reviewing for you. So I own about 5 pairs of Firmoo glasses. I will say that this latest pair, I think they are stepping their game up so much. The quality of this pair of glasses, they are so sturdy. This pair is a lot more dense. Although they're perfectly fine, they're just a little bit more lightweight, and I kind of like a heavier glass frame. I just feel like their product overall has elevated. And I just feel like I see nothing but great things in them getting better and better. I'm so thankful to Firmoo. Like I said, I will not stand by a product or promote a product if I didn't believe in what they were doing, because I would never want y'all coming for me like, you said that. Of course, you know, as in everything isn't for everyone, so things I like you may not like, and vice versa. But as for like just general purpose, I think it is so convenient to be able to plug in your prescription, go through a bunch of glasses you like, and then especially since it's a buy one get one, purchase a couple of pairs. You can add anything you want to them. You can go online and just customize your glasses to how you see fit, and they offer a lot of extra services. I just love the price point of these frames. I love that it's self-customizing. I love the customer service. So I 1000% endorse these with a whole heart. And I think that's gonna wrap it up for the video. I gave all the specs, what I thought. I look cute. You will too. So go get you some Firmoo. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And do not forget to check the description bar down below for all the links that you will need to get a buy one get one discount. Or if you just want half off, I will give my personal code to you guys so that you can do that on just one pair. Aside from their actual site, you could just check them out if you just want to do that, as well as a link to their Amazon store. So again, like, comment, subscribe. I will see you guys in the next one. And if you get a pair, let me see in some pictures. Link them joints. Let me see what you look like with your flea pair of glasses on. Okay? So I'll see you girls in the next video. Y'all be cool, like how y'all be cool.